Hey everybody, I am going to get into this package. It's been sitting here for a little while. Whew, you know, sometimes things pile up and you get behind. I'm trying to get caught up. Listen to the wind chimes today. It's very breezy out there and a cold front came through and it's quite windy. Anyhow, this is from NewCraftDay. They asked me if I would like to show some things and I said sure. I picked out a few things. So thank you, NewCraftDay. This is everything's stuck to each other. It's like I opened up a couple so I could see who it was from and see everything's just like stuck. All right, let's get into them. Let's show you what we have. And then we can get rid of these sticky bags. Sticky bags. Oh, okay, I know what this is. Yeah, you're gonna go, Mindy, how many are you gonna get? I don't know. How many are there? That's the better question. How many are there? Special drills, toolkit, basic toolkit. This one's really pretty. Oh, look at the color. Look at the color. It's not showing up as teal. It's teal. It looks blue on my camera, but it is teal. Aqua. Beautiful. Got some wine glasses, champagne glasses, flowers, big snowflake. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? I don't know. Do I have that one? I don't know. I've been trying to do such a good job of keeping track of what I have, what I don't have, what I have coming. I don't know. It looks familiar though. Okay, a lot of them do look a little familiar. Anyhow, beautiful, beautiful aqua teal background with these flowers, a candle. Celebrate the holidays, right? It has 12 different shapes, stones, etc. Of course, they don't want to open. Okay, here we go. I'll go put this away because I'm now all organized. I'm organized, you guys. Organized. I have a box and I have all of these together. Look at all of those. Look at those. Aren't those fantastic? No, come on. Focus. They can't see them if you don't focus. Aren't they gorgeous though? Look at those. Beautiful. For all around those flowers. Gorgeous. So I can just go to the box and I can put these away. When I put them away, I'll look and see. Do I have this one already? Orange. Clear, some greens, a yellow. Is that all the rhinestones? That is it. Not very many rhinestones. Gold balls, orangey red marquee, beautiful. Yellow pearls, some littler iridescent marquee, some larger marquee, and some snowflakes. Beautiful. Yeah, I've spent hours and hours organizing all of my stuff. And I know where stuff's at now, and yeah, now to keep it that way. Keep it that way. No getting lazy and just going in there and throwing stuff around, right? Find the correct box. Put it in there. It's not hard. All right. What do we have here? What do we have here? Special drill. Okay. So this canvas is much more supple, shall we say. Supple. Same toolkit. Okay. Drills. Okay. 12 shapes. Colors. I saw somebody do this and they posted it in, I don't know, Facebook, or they posted it somewhere. Okay. And I remember it because they talked about their E and they didn't like the E. I think they didn't like the E because it didn't have drills over here. I don't know. But they were like, they added some drills there. Okay. I mean, if you're going to add drills there, add one there and add some here and add, you know, you could keep going with that whole thing. But I don't think you need to. I really don't. Because it's printed. It's going to show up. But there's a lot to drill on it. Thankful and grateful. Lots of different things going on there. Anyhow, I like it. It's pretty. Obviously, these creases. Okay, I've gotten a couple things lately. Well, one. Let me rephrase that. I've gotten one thing lately that just came in, like, it was folded. Just like this. Folded with the drills in between like that. And oh my gosh. You know, I think that's the way to go. Can I tell you guys that's the way to go? Are you listening? No. Anyhow, you don't have to deal with all those hard creases. You might have one in the middle, but better than 4, 3, whatever. Okay. I'm sure it has to do with packaging. You know. Okay, what do we have? Blue rhinestones. Oh, the purpley blue ABs. Those are pretty. Red rhinestones, pink, orange, blue, purple, lots of rhinestones. Rhinestones, rhinestones, rhinestones. Some pink teardrops. Some champagne gold looking teardrops. And some green marquee. Pretty. Pretty. Okay. Hey, look at that. It's all ready to go back in the bag. Whoop, just like that. Okay. Pretty. I have a feeling, I just have a feeling that the rest of these are quilling, you guys. So I'm trying to not get so many quilling with each order. We're back to a stiffer canvas, this oilcloth. Poured glue, so you can do this, you know. Man, you can manhandle these things. They don't do anything. All right. Okay, what do we get? Another teal. All right. Have some presents. Would you like a gift? See, this is cool. This is what makes them neat. This part here is printed. All the swirls are printed, and then it's just like the ribbons get drills. That's cool. You get some other, you know, texture looking. Got bells, a big flower in the middle, another candle. I always get these swirls, just swirly things with the paper quilling. Because, I mean, if you ever look at paper quilling, they do a lot of swirl type stuff. And then a big, you know, snowflake type thing up in the corner. Very pretty. What do you think? Very pretty. Gold around the edge. I love it. I love it. It's very pretty. Okay. Let's look at its drills. There are 10. Ooh, this one doesn't have very many. 10. My guess is maybe a lot of gold and blue. That's my guess. All right, let's start with the rhinestones. Beautiful blue, beautiful blue. It's prettier than that. When it's looking on camera, it's beautiful. An orange. Another blue, a yellow, and a gold. So those are the rhinestones. There's a lot of orange. I did not expect orange. Okay. Here's our blue shards. Those are gorgeous. I love the shards. Some marquee. Oh, look, we have more shards. We have blue and gold shards. I've actually only seen them. Maybe I've seen green too. I don't know. I haven't seen all the colors in shards, but they're so pretty. And gold balls. And then some gold faceted. Nice, 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 and nice, right? Gorgeous. Okay, we got one more. Oh, somebody's calling me. Yep. Oh, well, they can wait a minute. All right, last one. This one's a little thicker package. It's kind of a fat one. All right, can I get in it? No. Come on. Come on. Okay, we're in. We are in. Oh, look, I can already tell. Look, can you see it? You know it's quilling. I know it's quilling, anyhow. These are all 30 by 40s. This one has a lot of background color. Bright and bold. It's bright and bold, okay? It's got 12 different shapes. Look at that. It is like cranberry rust color. It's pretty. All right, we get these big flowers. Look at those. Look at the special drills on those. And there's, what, 3 flowers? We got some bells. We got another candle. It's like a flower and candle thing, you guys. Flowers and candles is the theme, apparently. And then we have our big, I just call this a snowflake. I don't know, is it another flower, a snowflake? I don't know what it is. Anyhow, it's very pretty. Very, very pretty. This rusty brown kind of background. Everything will just jump right off, pop right off there. Won't it? It will. It'll pop right off. All right, let's look at these drills and we're done. That's it. 4 items today. Now, what happens when I run out of room in the quilling box? I don't know. Purple, green. Ah, purples and greens. Okay. All right. And then orange. What we got? We're in the orange today. Lots and lots of orange. Clear, yellow, and a green. Oh my gosh, look at those guys. 2 bags of those. Okay, so like all of these petals are gonna be this gold marquee. They're huge. Those are nice. Those are cool. Oh, and then look at these. Iridescent, like clear teardrop. Oh, we have the gold shards. We have gold faceted, and we have yellow pearls. Nice. Very nice. All right. So that's what I got today, you guys. It was definitely a quilling day. I'm trying not to get all quilling, changing it up, you know. I know you guys are going, okay, we get it. That's enough. Enough with the quilling. But, you know, when you love something, you love it. What can I say? All right. So that's what I got. Thank you again for sending those. I hope you guys enjoyed. If nothing else, I hope you enjoyed the wind chimes, you know, and the peacefulness of the day, that kind of thing. All right. Hit the like button. Subscribe if you're new here and you enjoyed this and you want to come back and see more things, okay? All right. Until the next video, have a great day and take care. Stay safe. Bye, guys.